When it comes to tackling tough projects on the job site, having the right table saw can make all the difference. The best job site table saws combine power, precision, and portability to help you get the job done efficiently. In this video, we'll highlight top choices that deliver exceptional performance so you can find the perfect saw for your needs. Let's dive in. If you're in the market for a reliable table saw that balances power, precision, and portability, the DEWALT DWE7491RS is a fantastic choice. This 10-inch saw features a 32.5-inch rip capacity, allowing you to tackle larger projects from shelving to trim work. Thanks to the rack and pinion telescoping fence system, you can make quick, smooth, and accurate adjustments, ensuring every cut is perfect. The 15-amp motor rips through hardwoods effortlessly, making this saw ideal for demanding tasks. And with a 3 1/8-inch depth of cut at 90 degrees and 2 1/4 inches at 45 degrees, you'll be able to make precise cuts at various angles without a hitch. One of the standout features is its rolling stand. It's designed for easy setup and breakdown, offering excellent stability when you're in the middle of a project. Plus, the saw's telescoping rails retract, creating a compact, portable package that's perfect for job sites or tight storage spaces. For those who prioritize organization, the onboard storage system keeps everything — fence, blade guard assembly, push stick, and more — neatly tucked away when not in use. The dust collection port is another thoughtful addition, helping to keep your workspace clean by connecting easily to a vacuum. All in all, the DEWALT DWE7491RS is a powerful, easy-to-use table saw that excels in performance and portability. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a DIY enthusiast, it's a solid investment that won't disappoint. If you're looking for a portable table saw that doesn't compromise on performance or convenience, the RYOBI 18-volt 1 plus HP brushless 8 1/4 inch table saw is a top contender in 2025. Powered by the RYOBI 1 plus HP technology, this compact saw delivers cordless cutting performance on par with many corded models, offering up to 4,500 RPM for smooth, fast cuts. It can rip up to 240 linear feet per charge when using two 4.0 amp-hour high-performance batteries, making it a reliable choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The design is practical and durable. With a steel frame, it's built to last, while the 12-inch rip cut capacity gives you the versatility to handle larger pieces of wood. The rack and pinion blade height adjustment ensures precise depth control, and the self-aligning material fence keeps your cuts straight and true. RYOBI has made this saw even more user-friendly with onboard storage for accessories like the push stick and blade guard assembly. It's also compatible with the RYOBI 1 Plus system, so if you already own other tools from the lineup, you can easily swap out batteries. With its lightweight design and cordless operation, this saw is perfect for job sites or home workshops, where portability is key. The 3-year warranty adds peace of mind, and with a price tag of just $239, you get great value for a high-performance tool. If you're looking for a reliable and portable saw that delivers, the RYOBI 18-volt oatable saw is a solid choice. If you're after a portable table saw that combines power, safety, and portability, the BOSCH GTS 1510 10-inch portable job site table saw should be at the top of your list. Designed with professionals in mind, this saw delivers 3,800 RPM for precise rip cutting and cross cutting, easily handling fine and hardwood materials. What sets it apart is its 15-amp motor, providing consistent, high-quality performance even during demanding tasks. The rack and pinion rip fence makes it incredibly easy to adjust and achieve accurate cuts with the color-coded index pins, ensuring efficiency and precision. On the safety front, BOSCH has included their Smart Guard system, which integrates a riving knife and anti-kickback pawls, protecting you from the dangers of blade contact while keeping your cuts smooth. What truly sets the BOSCH GTS 15-10 apart is its portability. With the included gravity rise wheeled stand, setup and breakdown are quick and easy, making it ideal for job sites that require mobility. The stand also features a lightweight design, ensuring you can take this saw anywhere without hassle. Despite its mobility, the saw doesn't compromise on strength or stability. Additionally, the convenience brake helps stop the blade in about 3 seconds, boosting productivity and safety. Plus, the on-tool storage keeps all your essential accessories neatly organized and easily accessible. With its powerful motor, safety features, and user-friendly design, the BOSCH GTS 1510 is a top choice for anyone looking for a durable, portable, and efficient table saw. If you're serious about your work, this one's worth the investment. If you're after a powerful, portable table saw that delivers excellent performance without the cord, the MILWAUKEE M18 table saw is a top contender in 2025. MILWAUKEE has packed a ton of features into this tool, making it ideal for professionals who need power and flexibility on the job. This saw offers the cutting power of a 15-amp corded saw, delivering 6,300 RPM, perfect for a variety of materials and cutting tasks. The 24.5-inch rip capacity ensures that you can easily cut through large sheets of plywood or OSB without a hitch. The standout feature here is the one-key smart technology, which allows you to track the tool's location and manage its performance from your smartphone. Whether you're at the job site or in the shop, you can easily monitor the saw and protect it from theft with the built-in security feature. Its power-state brushless motor ensures consistent performance, even under load, and provides long-lasting durability. Durability isn't sacrificed for portability either. The saw comes with onboard storage for key accessories like the riving knife, push stick, and fence. Plus, it's compatible with all M18 batteries, making it versatile and perfect for anyone already in the M18 ecosystem. With easy-to-use features like tool-free blade changes and adjustable settings, this table saw is as user-friendly as it is powerful. If you're looking for a versatile, cordless solution that can handle tough jobs and offer smart tracking, the MILWAUKEE 2736-20 is an excellent choice, highly recommended. The SKIL 15-amp base 10-inch portable job site table saw with folding stand is a must-have for DIY enthusiasts and professionals looking for reliability and portability. This saw delivers impressive cutting power with its 15-amp motor and 4,600 RPM speed, making it ideal for a variety of materials. Its 10-inch blade provides a generous 25.5-inch rip capacity, so you can easily cut through large workpieces like plywood and OSB. What sets this model apart is its ease of use and portability. The integrated folding stand makes setup and breakdown a breeze, offering both convenience and stability. It's perfect for transporting between job sites or storing in tight spaces. Plus, the saw features a 247-degree bevel capacity, allowing for versatile angle cuts. Users love the rack and pinion fence system, which ensures smooth and accurate cuts every time. With a dust port for easy cleanup and a micro adjustment feature for blade alignment, this saw doesn't compromise on performance or convenience. Whether you're a professional contractor or a weekend warrior, the SKIL 15-amp 10-inch table saw offers the perfect balance of power, portability, and precision at a great price. If you're looking for a portable table saw that combines power, precision, and portability, the SKIL 8 1/4-inch portable worm drive table saw is a solid choice in 2025. With its legendary worm drive gearing, this saw delivers maximum torque for tough ripping applications, making it perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The precision rack and pinion system ensures smooth, accurate fence adjustments, allowing for quick, hassle-free cuts every time. Designed for mobility, the compact footprint and lightweight construction make it easy to move around the job site. Despite its size, the saw delivers a 25-inch rip capacity and a 2 5/8-inch depth of cut, allowing you to tackle large materials with ease. Its all-metal construction guarantees durability, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of heavy-duty use. Whether you're working on a construction site or a home improvement project, the SKIL portable worm drive table saw stands out for its power, ease of use, and portability. It's an excellent choice for anyone seeking reliable performance without sacrificing mobility.